Your revolution start here.
In this video, we will be demonstrating the usage of laser in liposuction treatment. Here we are assembling the laser liposuction cannula. Now we are inserting the laser fiber inside the cannula. We can either use a bare fiber or radial laser fiber for laser liposuction. Once the fiber is inserted, we connect it to the machine and check the beam. After providing adequate pubescent anesthesia, the laser lipolysis is started. Here we melt the fat using the laser technology. The lipolyzed fat is then collected in the suction jar. Once the laser is used to melt the stubborn fat, then we suck this melted fat through the suction or power assisted liposuction. After the liposuction, we make a small hole in the areola to remove this glandular tissue. Here we could achieve 2.2 liters of fat lipoaspirate from the liposuction. So this is the results, immediate post-op results after the laser liposuction.